Now we are going to start a new fantastic topic uh, in which we will understand the different types of gear, how we can generate the gear with different dimensions. For that, we should understand what is gear and what are the different types of gear. So, gear, we all know that it is used to transmit the power from one shaft to the other shaft. If we have motor and if we want to transmit a power from motor to other shaft, we are using the gearbox or simple gears. Gears can be used to transmit power to reduce the motion of running shaft, or it may be used to change the direction of transmission in the shaft. Now, depending on the position and teeth inclination of the shaft, gear can be classified as spur gear. What is spur gear? In which the teeth of the gear, uh, okay, the teeth of the gear are parallel to the shaft, and both shaft are parallel to each other. Okay, we will see the different figure in later classes. Next is helical gear. Helical gear, the position of shaft is parallel to each other, and teeth of the difference between spur gear and helical gear is the inclination of teeth. The teeth are not exactly parallel to the shaft but inclined with the position of shaft. So what is the benefit of inclination of shaft? So the contact, the area of the contact between two gear will be increased. So this is the reason helical gear is used instead of spur gear. The next one is bevel gear. Bevel gear, when we have to transmit a power between shaft which are at 90° or less than 90°. So here we can see the one case in which the axis of the shaft is 90°. Then we can actually transmit a power from one shaft to another shaft by using bevel gear. In bevel gear, the teeth is actually like a spur gear in both gear, but the shaft are at 90° angle or less than 90° angle. There are also different types of bevel gear. This is called straight bevel gear, in which the teeth are straight, and we can. There are other type of bevel gear in which the teeth are parallel to. Teeth are spiral. So here the teeth are straight, but the teeth can be straight in this case. The other types of gear is spiral bevel gear in which the the teeth is spiral, in a spiral form, not in a straight form. And the last one is worm and worm wheel. So here we are not using gear in both shaft. Here we are using worm, but it is types of like a lead screw. We already know the lead screw used in the lathe machine. So it is like lead screw, and other gear like a spur gear we are using, it is known as worm wheel. So we are transmitting power from worm wheel to worm, or worm to worm wheel. In worm and worm wheel, the position of shaft is 90 degree. We are using worm and worm wheel to achieve higher gear ratio. Okay, what is gear ratio, how we can calculate that, we will discuss in our later classes. So if we want to reduce high speed to low speed, or to achieve high torque from the low torque prime mover, we are using worm and worm wheel. Okay, thank you.